Drew, that's enough. Alright, come on. I'll take
Ano
it.
ba? Pwede pagbigyan mo na ako, ha? I just wanna enjoy, okay? I just wanna drink. I just wanna be happy. Like before. I just wanna get wasted so I could forget about Ikit rejecting me. I don't wanna feel this. Wala eh. Ikaw talaga yung gusto niya. Ba naman ang laban ko sa perfect brother ko?
Drew, what are you talking about? Come on, pull yourself together. Don't go destroying your life over a heartbreak.
Yeah, that's easy for you to say. Hindi naman ikaw yung binasted, di ba? Hindi ikaw yung nagmahal ng todo.